online class of AIS. I am Shormishta Das, your maths teacher. Today I am going to start with exercise 3C, that is factorization of polynomial. Let's get started. Exercise 3C, factorization of polynomial. In this exercise we have factorization of quadratic trinomials. So polynomial is of the form that is x square plus bx plus c. We find integers p and q such that b is expressed in the form of p plus q is equal to b and c is expressed in the form of product of pq. Then x square plus bx plus c can be written as x square plus b is substituted by p plus q and c is substituted by pq. So we get x square plus px plus qx plus pq. X we can take common from these two terms, we will get x into x plus p. Q we can take common from these two terms, plus q x plus p. So x plus p we are taking common from both the sides, we are getting x plus p, and what is left, that is x plus q. So this is the factor of x square plus bx plus c in the form of p and q. Now we are going to solve sum number 1, that is x square plus 11x plus 30. 30 first we will express in the product form so that it can be, and like 30 can be expressed as 6 into 5, and if we will add 6 and 5 we will get 11, so that will be the appropriate one, is equal to x square plus 6x plus 5x plus 30 is equal to, from these two I can take x common, so x plus 6 plus 5 again I can take common, so from here I will get x plus, since 5 6 are 30, so I will write 6 here. So both the side I have got x plus 6, so x plus 6 I can take common, and what is left, that is x plus 5. So this is the factor x plus 6, x plus 5. Now we are going to solve sum number 17, a minus x square minus x plus 6. So 6, by expressing it in the form of 3 into 2 I can get 6, and 3x minus 2x will give me x, but over here minus sign is there, so I will be writing it as minus 3x plus 2x, because plus minus will give me minus, I'll do minus, and I will be writing the sign of greater magnitude. So which one is greater? 3x is greater, so I'll be writing minus x. See, I'll be getting minus x. So I have written minus 3x plus 2x plus 6. From these two I can take minus x common, x plus sign I'll get, that is 3. Plus from these two I can take 2 common, I will get x plus 3. Again from these two side I can take x plus 3 common, so x plus 3 I have taken common. From here what we will get, minus x plus 2, or we can write x plus 3 2 minus x. This is my answer. Now we are going to solve sum number 30, 2x square plus 11x minus 21. So in this case 21 first we are going to multiply it with 2. So 21 into 2, how much we will get? 42. So 42 how can we get? 42 we can get, that is 14 into 3, and if we will subtract 14x minus 3x we will get 11x. So I will be writing 2x square plus 14x minus 3x minus 21. I have taken plus sign because over here in the question it's given plus. So I have taken plus sign in the greater magnitude so that I can get back plus sign. From these two I can take 2x common. What is left? Over here x square is given, so x will be left plus 7. Minus 3 I can take common. So what is left? X plus 7, because plus minus will give me this minus back. So x plus 7 I can take common and 2x minus 3. So this is my answer. Now we are going to solve sum number 52. That is 1 by 3 x square minus 2x minus 9. So first I am going to take the LCM. So how much we will get? That is 3. So x square minus 3 into 2 gives me 6x minus 27. 1 by 3. Or this one I will be doing the middle term factor. It is 1 by 3 x square minus, now 27 can be expressed in the form of 9 into 3, and 9x minus 3x will give me 6x. So minus 9x plus 3x minus 27. From here I have taken minus sign in the greater magnitude so that I can get this minus sign back. 1 by 3 will remain as it is. Actually over here I have taken 1 by 3 as common, that is so that I can do this portion as middle term factor. And since I have taken 1 by 3 as common, so I need to multiply with each and every term. Since 1 by 3 is already present, so I have written only x square. But over here any 1 by 3 term is not there. So I have multiplied 3 with 2 and I have got 6x. Similarly I have multiplied 9 with 3 and I have got 27. Okay. So x I can take common, x minus 9 plus 3 I can take common, that is x minus 9. So 1 by 3 I can take x minus 9 common and x plus 3. So this is my answer.